Defense lawyers for six officers, that is, charged in the Freddie Gray case, are trying to move the case out of Baltimore. The motion may also reveal how they plan to defend their clients. 11 News I-Team reporter David Collins joins us live from the Mitchell Courthouse with the latest. David.
Well, Donna, a defense strategy has emerged in one of the many motions filed in this case. Now, one big question, aside from whether it will be heard in Baltimore, is whether each of these officers will be tried separately. Will the six officers be tried together or separately?
It's the prosecution that wants a consolidated trial. They want one trial for six people. It's for the convenience of witnesses, it's for the convenience of jurors, it's much less expensive to do it one time.
But some legal experts believe the defense may use a 1968 Supreme Court decision to keep pretrial statements by the defendants out of the case.
We recording it. 5
of the 6 officers charged in the police in custody death of Freddie Gray voluntarily provided statements to investigators. What they said has not been made public. Under the so-called Bruton rule, a confessing defendant's statement cannot be used against a non-confessing defendant.
You want to use Bruton as a lawyer for the accused to prevent evidence coming into trial where you're not able to cross-examine that evidence.
One of the rights of an accused person has under the 6th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution is the right to confront and cross-examine the state's witness against them. If all officers agree not to testify against each other, the case will fall apart.
No, I mean, if I'm a prosecuting attorney and I have information coming from one of the co-defendants against another, I'm going to separate those two and have two separate trials. That way I'm going to be able to use statements against the individual, and if the defense wants to call the other officer, he or she can do that.
The next scheduled court appearance for all the officers for arraignment is July 2nd. Reporting live from the Mitchell Courthouse downtown, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.